In 2024, saving money on groceries has become more important than ever as prices continue to rise. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can cut down on your grocery bill without sacrificing the quality of your meals. Hello, savvy shoppers! Are you looking to cut down your grocery bills in 2024 without sacrificing quality or nutrition? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll share easy and effective tips to help you save money on groceries. Let's dive in. 1. Plan your meals. Why meal planning matters. Meal planning helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you need, reducing waste and saving money. How to plan your meals. Create a weekly menu. Plan your meals for the week, including breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Make a shopping list. Based on your meal plan, write down all the ingredients you'll need. Stick to your list. Only buy what's on your list to avoid unnecessary purchases. Meal planning tools. Apps, Paprika, Mealime, Yumly templates. Printable meal planning templates available online. 2. Shop with a budget. Why budgeting is crucial. Setting a budget for groceries helps you manage your finances and prevent overspending. How to set a grocery budget. Analyze past spending. Review your previous grocery receipts to determine your average spending. Set a weekly or monthly limit. Decide how much you can afford to spend on groceries each week or month. Track your spending. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your grocery expenses and stay within your budget. Budgeting tools apps, Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, Pocket Guard, spreadsheets, Google Sheets, Excel 3. Use coupons and loyalty programs. Why coupons and loyalty programs? Help coupons and loyalty programs offer discounts and rewards that can significantly reduce your grocery bill. How to use coupons and loyalty programs. Find coupons. Look for coupons in newspapers, online coupon sites, and store apps. Join loyalty programs. Sign up for loyalty programs at your favorite grocery stores to earn points and access exclusive discounts. Combine deals. Use coupons in conjunction with store sales and loyalty rewards for maximum savings. Coupon and loyalty resources websites. Coupons.com, Retail Me Not, the Crazy Coupon Lady store apps, Target Circle, Kroger Plus, Safeway, just for you 4. Buy in bulk and store properly. Why buying in bulk? Saves money. Purchasing items in bulk can lower the unit cost and reduce the frequency of shopping trips. How to buy in bulk. Identify staple items. Determine which non-perishable items you use frequently and can buy in bulk, e.g., rice, pasta, canned goods. Compare unit prices. Check the unit prices to ensure you're getting a good deal. Store properly. Use airtight containers to store bulk items and keep them fresh longer. Bulk buying tips. Stores, Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's Wholesale Club. Storage solutions, mason jars, vacuum-sealed bags, airtight containers. 5. Shop seasonal and local. Why seasonal and local shopping is economical. Seasonal produce is often cheaper and fresher. Buying local also supports the community and can reduce costs. How to shop seasonal and local. Check what's in season. Refer to seasonal produce guides to see what's currently in season. Visit farmers markets. Explore local farmers markets for fresh and affordable produce. Join a CSA. Consider joining a community-supported agriculture (CSA) program for regular deliveries of seasonal produce. Seasonal and local shopping resources. Seasonal produce guides. USDA Seasonal Produce Guide. Local agriculture websites. Farmers markets. Local harvest. USDA Farmers Market. Directory. 6. Cook at home and avoid eating out. Why cooking at home is cost-effective. Preparing meals at home is typically much cheaper than dining out or ordering takeout. How to cook at home. More often batch cooking. Cook large batches of food and freeze portions for later. Simple recipes. Start with easy, quick recipes to build your confidence and skills. Leftover reinvention. Use leftovers creatively to make new meals and reduce waste. Cooking resources. Recipe sites, All Recipes, Food Network, Epicurious. Cooking channels. Tasty, Bon Appetit, Gordon Ramsay's YouTube channel. 7. Be smart with protein. Why smart protein? Choices matter. Protein is often one of the most expensive components of a meal. Being strategic can help reduce costs. How to save on protein. Buy cheaper cuts. Opt for less expensive cuts of meat. which can be just as flavorful when cooked properly. Incorporate plant-based proteins. Use beans, lentils, and tofu as affordable protein sources. Watch for sales. Stock up on proteins when they're on sale and freeze them for later use. Protein-saving tips. Recipes. Look for recipes that use beans, legumes, and cheaper cuts of meat. Sales alerts. Use store apps and websites to track sales on protein items. 8. Reduce food waste. Why reducing food waste saves money? Throwing away food is essentially throwing away money. Reducing waste ensures you get the most out of your grocery purchases. How to reduce food waste. Use FIFO. Follow the first in, first out method to use older items before newer ones. Plan leftovers. Incorporate leftovers into your meal plan. Store food properly. Use proper storage techniques to extend the shelf life of your food. Food waste reduction tips. Storage guides. USDA Foodkeeper app. Leftover recipes. Search for leftover recipes online for creative ideas. So one of the easiest ways to save money on groceries is to plan your meals ahead of time. By creating a weekly meal plan and shopping list, you can avoid impulse purchases and only buy what you need. This can help you stick to your budget and prevent food waste. Another tip for saving money on groceries is to buy in bulk. Many stores offer discounts on items when you buy in larger quantities, so stocking up on staples like rice, pasta, and canned goods can help you save money in the long run. Just be sure to check the expiration dates and storage recommendations before buying in bulk. Shopping at discount stores and using coupons can also help you save money on groceries. Many stores offer sales and promotions on a regular basis, so keeping an eye out for deals can help you save money. Additionally, using coupons can help you save even more on your grocery bill. Buying generic or store brand products instead of name brand items can also help you save money on groceries. In many cases, the quality of generic products is just as good as name brand products, but at a lower price. By opting for generic products, you can save money without sacrificing taste or quality. Meal prepping and cooking at home can also help you save money on groceries. By preparing meals in advance and cooking at home, you can save money on dining out and expensive convenience foods. Additionally, cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, which can help you save money and eat healthier. Finally, shopping at farmers markets and buying seasonal produce can help you save money on groceries. Farmers markets often offer fresh, locally grown produce at lower prices than grocery stores, so taking advantage of these markets can help you save money. Additionally, buying seasonal produce can help you save money, as these items are often cheaper and more abundant during their peak season. By following these easy tips, you can save money on groceries in 2024 and stick to your budget without sacrificing the quality of your meals. With a little planning and effort, you can cut down on your grocery bill and save money for other expenses. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips and tricks. I would love to hear from you, so share your own strategies for cutting down on grocery costs in the comments below. Together, we can all work towards a more frugal and financially secure future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.